Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are here to do unboxing of this propane stove from Coleman. This is a 2-burner stove with a 20,000 BTU, and this is a 3-in-1, so with 2 burner and one griddle that can be used for like a griddle or a griller. So let's start by opening this box. Open. Okay. Here's the griddle. It's heavy, maybe around 2 kilos. So griddle and grilling side of the pan, or this like a cast iron or coated only, but it's really heavy. And this one. It's nothing more. Nice. Here it is. Maybe around 1.5. This lock here is nice because this is metal. Some of the stove are made of a plastic lock, so this is sturdy for sure. And this is the instant start. And yeah, these papers, regulators inside. This is where you attach your propane. Okay, and let's see. So the user manual is inside this case, or the actual propane stove. And so it will be like this. This is the wind blocker. Can be inserted inside here. You can see here. The right side. So this can fit 12 inches size of a pan, and the other one is 10. So you can put sure. And here, this one has a hole. So you can, that's it. You place your pan here, and the regulator should be inserted in this side. So it's easy. Align it first and then rotate it clockwise. And right, so don't use any tool, just tighten up with your fingers. And the propane will be inserted here, this 1 pound propane tank. And you can also use 20 pounds, but you have to have this extension or hose insert here in the regulator. Use it like this. Right, just hand tight, and the position should be like this. Never use this propane like upside down, it should be like this. Okay, then so now you can this one is for the right side burner. Turn it on. You can hear the press. Right. Same thing with the other one. And for the left side, this left switch, button switch. Then, so once you turn this dial or knob, you can hear the propane coming out. So press this one. So this one, same thing. Yeah. So yeah. So both are open. Up. So that's how you set up this Coleman 3-in-1 propane stove. So I have here my pan. With the wind blocker it still fits, and this casserole, let's see. Alright, so both fits. The fire is in the center. So yeah, they both fits. I think this is 12 also, and this one is 12. So they both fit, but you have to move this wind blocker a little bit further. Right, and let's try the griddle. This is the griddle here. Let's put it up. Yeah, so it will sit on this metal part. So that's how to use it. I'll show you here. So yeah, those feet will sit on this metal frame or metal wheel, and before you do it that way, so this one will be protected with the heat of the cast iron. So yeah, so that's how to use it. And for storing it, so again, remove this one. Okay, put it back and remove this regulator, and then this remove this one first. This back, and let's try it. Oh, I forgot to put this back inside, and let's try it. I'm not sure if this one will fit, but let's try. Oh yeah, it does fit. Yeah, it does fit. And yeah, that's it. Have this handle here, so heavy. So that's it. This is a Coleman 3-in-1. It has this Insta Start and two burner and one griddle. Can be used for cooking egg or bacon, and also can be used to grill. And this is a nice dial or switch or flame adjuster. You can set it to the lowest where if you want to simmer, but it can be like the highest number or level of fire is really strong. So it's nice, it's easy to adjust, and it's really nice case. Almost really durable. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.